All praises again to the mother and the father of all creation. Yeah. So we're outside of the Digicel building. Yeah? And we don't know, yo, my black people, yo, Jamaicans. I want them to me one. Yo, we're not fighting and we not people. Yo, them couldn't even pull off them stunt in the UK, you know. Them couldn't even go to America with them stunt in. Who knew them choose to come down here with and enslave and tell all these stupidness and keep up all type of, yo, rob the people, man, rob the people, man, sodomize the people, man, keep up all type of foolishness, man. So here, first and foremost, you have to go work hard for your money. And you get your money, government tax your money, though. Yeah? And you take the taxes, okay. You get your money now, and you can buy some credit. So you have to go buy $100 credit. You have to go pay a supplement of $30 on it. If you go to retail, you have to put $50 on it. So you pay your money already for the $100 credit where you pay for, you know. And where you want, you know, where you credit your phone, you know. And then you're going to use your phone now, and you make a little 2-minute call or a 3-minute call. The same company you're going to tell you, say, them are going to take $1 something out of your money again. I will not take these people.
Yeah, man, criminal activity. Yeah, robbery.
Like a robbery that.
Yeah, man.
My people are not fight, you know.
Worse than the gunman.
And the government made them get away with these things.
Worse than the gunman.
A friend and we get the money and the contribution from them. And we know the thing of people. You see me? Yeah, I know what right and who right, you know, is what's right. And people, uno. It got to take uno to stand up to the thing. You see me? All power. Praises.